Hello and welcome to HighLevel Techie. This is Jitin here, and today I'm going to show you how to label your prompt properly, or how to label the data inside your prompt properly. So now let me explain what do I mean by labeling your data. So I have worked with many people for their voice AI agent, and one of the most common mistake I see inside prompting is the usage of merge field value. So a lot of people would go about prompting their agent like this. So they would go to custom value, select contact and first name, right? So you know that this is first name. So they would say that first name called regarding, and then you would probably have another custom field value for the message or something similar. And let's say, so the first name called regarding message and so happened, and you will have the whole prompt and you will think that this is going to work, but unfortunately this will not work because only you can understand what is being written here, because you can actually read the merge field values that you have inserted here. But what would happen when the AI agent is going to read the prompt is that these fields would not make any sense to AI agent, because sometimes if you haven't captured the first name yet, this whole thing will go as an empty space for the agent. And if you haven't captured this value as well, this would also be a blank space or empty space for the agent. So the agent will be reading something like this, space called regarding space and so, right? So this wouldn't make any sense to the AI agent when it actually becomes a prompt with pre-filled data. And again, this would work in an ideal situation when, let's say, this name is replaced by John called regarding roofing issue and so, then it would make sense. But still, AI agent doesn't know who is John, and roofing issue is actually the issue that we have to talk about. So that is why labeling your data becomes important. And I have already shown you how to label the data properly in the last video. So if you go here, you can see that I have added past, call, memory, and context. So under this section, I mentioned that please refer to this data here for past, call, summary if available. And then I have labeled this section with past, call, summary. So now even if it is not available, this will be empty. And my agent knows that there is no past call summary, so that is empty. So this user did not have any past calls. But if this space is filled with data, my voice AI agent understands that this is actually past call summary between this and this. So now it can have a better context. So now if you want to use first name, for example, you can say first name. You can say first name is, and then you can use the merge field value for first name, which is contact.first name, right? So this, once you use that, now you can use this label to refer inside your prompt. So you can say first name called regarding concerned issue, right? And now we have to say that concerned issue is, and if you find concerned issue, let's say this is, let's bring this up. So now let's say concerned issue is this, and you can use the whole thing after this. You can say that first name called regarding this concerned issue and so. And then this agent will have a better understanding of the context and the data that you are trying to use. And you can also say if it is empty, we haven't captured that information, you can ask the contact and capture the missing information. And then everything would make sense to the AI agent, because now your data is labeled and it can actually understand the context on how you are using all these values. So this is one of the most common mistakes that a lot of people do inside voice AI prompting. So I hope this helps you in building really personalized voice AI agents. Always try to label your data inside your prompt. And that is all for this lesson. I will see you in the next one. Thank you and bye.